This video demonstrates how to configure application or website control on Ruijie Reyee app. To control the applications or websites that can be accessed by users, use the App or Website Control feature on Ruijie Reyee app. Log into Ruijie Reyee app and access the home page of a project. Tap Advanced under Workspace, and tap Flow and App Control. Toggle on Smart Flow Control. Otherwise, App Control will not take effect. Configure the maximum uplink and downlink rates for the device's WAN ports. Tap Save. In the displayed dialog box, tap to configure to create an application control policy. 1. Set the policy name. 2. Set the policy status. If status is toggled off, the policy does not take effect. 3. Configure the IP addresses of users to be controlled. On Ruijie Reyee app, you can configure IP addresses of users to be controlled in a policy in the following ways. Method 1. Select an existing VLAN. Method 2. Click User Group and select the user group to be controlled. Four. Configure applications that are controlled from access. Ruijie Reyee app allows you to control to applications in the following ways. Method 1. Select apps and select application types from the list. If the application you want to control is not found or the identified application is incorrect, click Feedback to report the issue. Method 2. Click App Group and select an existing application group. If no application group is created, click Plus Custom. In the dialog box that appears, set app group name, select applications, and click Save. Method 3. Select website and select the category of websites. If you need to control specific websites, click Add Customized URL, set name and URL, and click OK. The custom websites are displayed in the drop-down list. 5. Set the policy type. 6. Set the time range during which a policy takes effect. Click the time range during which an application control policy takes effect. If the expected effective time is not available in the drop-down list box, click Custom to customize the effective time. Tap Add Policy. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Ruijie Reyee official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.